Most modern engines are designed to last up to 200,000 miles, yet many cars don't even make it past 120,000. The main reason is simple neglect. By doing a quick check just once a month, you can keep your engine running strong for decades. It takes less than 10 minutes, costs almost nothing, and can even double your car's lifespan. And if you stick around, I'll share the ultimate bonus tip. The one that can mean the difference between reaching 150,000 miles or pushing your car all the way to 500,000. Let's get started. Habit 14. Check engine oil level and condition. Your engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. Without it, metal parts grind together, creating friction, heat, and eventually catastrophic engine failure. Checking your oil once a month is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to extend the life of your engine. Start by making sure the car is on level ground and the engine is off and cool. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then reinsert and pull it out again. Look at the oil level. If it's below the low mark, you need to add more. But don't just stop there. Pay attention to the color and consistency. Fresh oil is amber and smooth, while old or dirty oil looks dark and gritty. If you see milky oil, that could even mean coolant is leaking into the engine. Catching these signs early can save you thousands in repairs. Also, remember to change your oil regularly, as recommended in your car's manual. This single habit ensures your engine stays lubricated, cool, and protected, which can easily add years or even hundreds of thousands of miles to your vehicle's life. Habit 13. Inspect coolant reservoir. Engines don't just fail because of oil issues. Overheating is another silent killer. That's where your coolant comes in. Coolant, also called antifreeze, regulates engine temperature, preventing it from getting too hot in summer or freezing in winter. Checking your coolant reservoir once a month is quick, easy, and could save your engine from serious damage. When the engine is cool, pop open the hood and locate the translucent plastic coolant reservoir. You'll see markings for low and full. Make sure the fluid sits between those lines. If it's low, top it off with the correct coolant for your car. Never just plain water unless it's an emergency. Also, look at the coolant's color. Fresh coolant is usually green, orange, or pink, depending on the type. If it looks rusty, cloudy, or has particles floating in it, it's time to flush and replace it. A sudden drop in coolant level can also mean a leak in the radiator, hoses, or even a head gasket issue, something you'll want to catch early. A healthy cooling system means your engine runs at the right temperature, performs better, and lasts longer. Habit 12. Inspect belts and hoses. Belts and hoses may not seem exciting, but they're some of the most important parts keeping your engine alive. The serpentine belt, for example, powers your alternator, power steering, and even your air conditioning. If it snaps, your car will shut down almost instantly. Hoses carry coolant and other fluids throughout the engine. If one bursts, you could be left stranded with an overheated motor. That's why checking them once a month is so critical. Start by looking for visible cracks, fraying, or shiny spots on the belts. If you hear squealing when starting the car or turning the wheel, that's another sign the belt may be worn or loose. For hoses, gently squeeze them with your hand. If they feel brittle, spongy, or unusually soft, it's time to replace them. Also, check around the connections for signs of leaks or dried coolant residue. A failed belt or hose can easily cause thousands of dollars in engine damage, yet a quick monthly check can prevent all that. This simple habit ensures your car runs smoothly, your engine stays cool, and you won't be caught off guard by a sudden breakdown. Habit 11. Keep battery terminals and cables clean. Your engine may be healthy, but without a strong battery connection, your car won't even start. Corroded battery terminals and loose cables are a common problem that many drivers ignore until the day their car won't crank. Each month, pop open the hood and take a look at your battery. If you see a white, green, or blue powdery buildup around the terminals, that's corrosion. It interferes with the electrical connection, making your starter work harder and eventually leaving you with a dead battery. Cleaning it is simple. Disconnect the cables, negative first, then positive, and scrub the terminals with a mix of baking soda and water or a battery cleaning brush. Dry everything thoroughly before reconnecting the cables, positive first, then negative. Also, check that the cables are snug and free from cracks. A secure, clean battery connection ensures smooth startups, reliable power to your engine's computer, and better performance from all your electronics. This tiny habit, which takes just minutes, can add years to both your battery and your car's electrical system, sparing you from those frustrating mornings when your engine refuses to turn over. Habit 10. Check air filter. Your engine needs air just like you need oxygen. A clean air filter makes sure your engine breathes properly, giving you good fuel economy, smooth acceleration, and long engine life. But when the air filter gets clogged with dirt, dust, and debris, your engine struggles to get the oxygen it needs. That means it burns more fuel, loses power, and puts unnecessary stress on components. Checking the filter once a month takes only a minute. Just open the air filter housing, usually a plastic box near the top or side of the engine bay. Pull out the filter and hold it up to the light. If you can't see light passing through, it's too dirty. A clean filter is usually white or off-white, while a dirty one will look dark and dusty. Replacing it is cheap, often less than $20, and can instantly improve fuel economy. In dusty areas, or if you drive off-road, you'll need to check it more often. This tiny habit protects your engine from harmful particles, keeps combustion clean, and can save you hundreds in fuel costs over the years. Habit 9. Check tire pressure and alignment. While it might not sound like it affects the engine, tire health plays a huge role in how your car runs overall. Underinflated or poorly aligned tires force your engine to work harder, which means more fuel consumption and added stress on the drivetrain. Checking tire pressure once a month keeps everything running smoothly. Use a simple tire pressure gauge, often under $10, and compare your reading to the recommended pressure listed on the sticker inside your driver's door. If your tires are low, top them off at a gas station or with a home compressor. Beyond pressure, pay attention to tread wear. Uneven wear could mean you need an alignment or rotation. Poor alignment not only wastes fuel, but also makes driving unsafe. Even something as small as a 2-pound drop in pressure can cut your gas mileage significantly. Proper tire care extends the life of your tires, saves fuel, and prevents unnecessary strain on your engine and transmission. It's one of the cheapest and easiest ways to protect your car's long-term health. Habit 8. Inspect PCV valve. The PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve, is one of the most overlooked parts under the hood. Yet it plays a critical role in keeping your engine clean and efficient. Its job is to control how gases are vented from the engine crankcase back into the intake, reducing emissions and preventing pressure buildup. If this tiny valve gets clogged or stuck, oil can leak, sludge can build up inside the engine, and fuel economy will drop. Worse, it can even cause seals to fail, leading to expensive repairs. Checking it once a month is easy. Find the PCV valve, usually attached to a rubber hose on top of the engine. Pull it out and shake it. If you hear a metallic rattle, it's likely working fine. If it's silent, sticky, or covered in heavy deposits, replace it. It's usually a cheap part, often under $15. Also, check the hose connected to it for cracks or blockages. By keeping your PCV valve clean and functional, you reduce harmful buildup inside your engine and keep everything running efficiently. This small habit helps prevent oil leaks, improves performance, and extends engine life. Habit 7. Check for fluid leaks. Under the car. One of the easiest ways to catch problems early is by simply looking under your car once a month. Leaks often start small, but if ignored, they can lead to serious damage and expensive repairs. Place a piece of cardboard under your car overnight and check for spots in the morning. Clear water is usually just condensation from the air conditioning, but dark brown or black spots often mean engine oil. Reddish fluid could be transmission or power steering fluid, while green, orange, or pink usually points to coolant. If you notice a strong fuel smell, that's a gasoline leak, something that requires immediate attention. Don't just wipe it off and forget about it. Track where the leak is coming from. A tiny drip today could turn into a major issue tomorrow, leaving you stranded. Catching a leak early can save you from overheating, transmission failure, or engine seizure. This small habit takes seconds, but can save thousands in repairs. Think of it as your car's way of giving you warning signs. Ignoring them can shorten its life dramatically. Habit 6. Scan for error. Codes with an OBD2 scanner. Modern cars are basically computers on wheels. Even if everything seems fine, your car's computer could be storing hidden error codes that point to developing problems. That's where an OBD2 scanner comes in. These devices plug into the diagnostic port under your dashboard and read trouble codes directly from the engine's computer. Once a month, take a few minutes to run a scan. Many affordable scanners are available for under $30, and some even connect to your phone via Bluetooth. If you find a code, don't panic. Sometimes it's a minor issue like a loose gas cap. But other times it can warn you about failing sensors, misfires, or emissions problems long before the check engine light comes on. Addressing these issues early prevents them from snowballing into major repairs. Even if you're not a mechanic, knowing the code gives you an advantage when talking to one, so you won't be taken advantage of. Think of an OBD2 scan as a monthly health checkup for your engine. It's fast, cheap, and one of the smartest habits for keeping your car running strong for hundreds of thousands of miles. Habit 5. Inspect spark plug. Wires and coils. Your engine relies on spark plugs, wires, and coils to ignite the fuel-air mixture that powers every cylinder. If these components fail, you'll notice rough idling, poor acceleration, reduced fuel economy, and even engine misfires. Ignoring them can eventually damage your catalytic converter or other expensive parts. Once a month, take a few minutes to inspect your spark plug wires and ignition coils. Look for cracks, wear, or corrosion around the connectors. If you see arcing marks, tiny burn spots on the wires, it's a clear sign they're leaking electricity and need replacing. You can also listen for signs of trouble. If the engine hesitates or shakes during acceleration, faulty plugs or coils may be the culprit. Replacing spark plugs and wires is usually inexpensive, and coils are fairly easy to swap on most cars. Keeping this system healthy ensures your engine fires cleanly, runs smoothly, and burns fuel efficiently. By staying on top of this small habit, you'll avoid costly repairs down the road and keep your car running like new for years to come. Habit 4. Clean throttle body and MAF sensor. The throttle body and MAF, mass airflow, sensor control how much air enters your engine. Over time, carbon deposits and dirt build up, causing rough idling, hesitation, poor fuel economy, or even stalling. Cleaning them once a month, or at least checking, can make a huge difference in performance. To clean the throttle body, remove the air intake tube and spray throttle body cleaner onto a rag or brush. Gently wipe away carbon buildup from the plate and housing. For the MAF sensor, use a dedicated MAF cleaner spray. Never touch the delicate wires inside with your hands or tools. A clean throttle body ensures smooth airflow, while a clean MAF sensor gives accurate readings to the engine's computer, which means the perfect fuel-to-air mix. This simple maintenance can restore lost horsepower, improve fuel economy, and make your engine feel more responsive. Neglecting it, on the other hand, forces your engine to struggle and consume more fuel. Spending just 10 minutes on this habit can keep your car running smoother, cleaner, and far more efficiently, adding years to its life and saving you money at the pump. Habit 3. Use a monthly fuel system treatment. Over time, carbon deposits and varnish can build up inside your fuel system on the injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. This buildup reduces fuel efficiency, causes rough idling, and can even lead to engine knocking. A simple way to fight this is by using a fuel system treatment once a month. These additives, sold at most auto parts stores, are poured directly into your gas tank before filling up. As the treated fuel runs through your system, it cleans out deposits, lubricates critical components, and keeps everything running smoothly. Some treatments even absorb water, protecting against rust inside the fuel system. Using one regularly ensures your injectors spray fuel in a fine mist, which means better combustion, more power, and improved fuel economy. It also keeps emissions lower, which is good for both your car and the environment. Best of all, most bottles cost under $10, making this a cheap investment for long-term performance. Think of it as giving your engine a detox. It clears out the gunk before it causes expensive problems. Make this a monthly habit, and you'll notice smoother starts, better mileage, and a much healthier engine. Habit 2. Listen for strange noises. Engines have a way of speaking to us, and unusual noises are often their first cry for help. A ticking, knocking, whining, or squealing sound can all point to different issues that, if ignored, may become catastrophic. Once a month, or better yet, every time you drive, turn off the radio and really listen to your car. A rhythmic ticking could mean low oil or worn lifters, while a knocking sound might signal detonation from bad fuel or carbon buildup. High-pitched squealing is often a worn belt, and grinding may mean brake or bearing issues. Even a faint hissing could point to a vacuum leak. The key is not to dismiss these noises as normal until you know the cause. Identifying problems early means you can fix them cheaply before they snowball into major repairs. For example, catching a worn belt early costs little, but ignoring it until it snaps could leave you stranded with a dead engine. Developing the habit of listening keeps you in tune with your car's health. The sooner you hear and act, the longer your engine, and your whole car, will last. Habit 1. Drive the car hard once in a while. Many people think that treating their car gently at all times is the best way to make it last. While it's true that smooth driving reduces wear, babying your car too much can actually harm it in the long run. When a car is only used for short trips or light city driving, the engine rarely gets fully hot. This allows carbon deposits to slowly build up inside the combustion chambers, valves, and exhaust system. Over time, these deposits can block airflow, reduce fuel efficiency, and make your engine feel weaker. This is why mechanics often recommend what's known as the Italian tune-up. The idea is simple. Once in a while, you should let your engine stretch its legs. About once a month, when the engine is fully warmed up, take your car onto an open highway and drive at higher RPMs for several minutes. You don't need to push the car to its limits or redline it, but you should accelerate firmly and hold the engine at the upper range of its revs. Doing this helps burn away the built-up carbon and clears the exhaust system. Think of it as exercise for your car. Just like your body needs physical activity to stay healthy, your car's engine needs an occasional workout. This habit is especially important if your driving routine mostly involves short trips, like running errands around town, where the engine never reaches its ideal operating temperature. By giving your car this kind of workout, you'll notice smoother throttle response, better fuel economy, and a healthier, longer-lasting engine. Of course, always do this safely. Choose a quiet stretch of road or highway, and never try it on a cold engine. And there you have it. 14 powerful habits that can keep your engine running for hundreds of thousands of miles. Remember, small checks done monthly prevent massive repairs later. Your car gives back what you put into it. Treat it right, and it'll last a lifetime. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this video with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple car hacks that save you money and keep you on the road longer.